Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Ibotic Nono. My OGs, thank you for always watching my video, and please, if you're passing this channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button there and also turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Guys, hope you're enjoying my videos so far. On this channel I teach Igbo language, as you can see, and from time to time I try to bring in some little fun things so that people don't get scared when they see my notification on their phone. They'll be like, oh, this Igbo teacher's come again, I'm not in the mood to learn. But in today's video we're actually going to be learning the Igbo language of today. The Igbo word or phrase of today we're learning is Iko. 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 Iko is cup. Iko. Iko. Watch my lips, guys. If you watch my lips and you don't repeat after me, I don't know, it might be a little bit difficult for you. So just synchronize with me, just like you do TikTok videos. Do you understand? Iko. 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 Okay guys, now that you have known what cup is called in Igbo language, we're going to use some sentences that you can use with this word, with this phrase, Iko, cup. I'm going to use some sentences, and number one here is Haji iko eji aṅụ mmanya. 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 Ha ji iko eji aṅụ mmanya. Ha ji iko eji aṅụ mmanya. They are holding wine glasses. Ejiri gbamgbam mepụta iko ndị a. 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 This cup is made of tin. Ndị a na-akọkọrịta iko ha ji aga ọfọ. 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 They are clinking wine glasses for a toast. Iko a kụwara akụwa. 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 This cup is broken. Mmiri oroma juru n'ime iko a. 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 This cup is filled up with orange juice. Iko ndị a buru ibu. Iko ndị a buru ibu. Iko ndị a buru ibu. Iko ndị a buru cups are big. You can also say iko ndia pere mpe. 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 These cups are small. Iko ndia joro njọ. Iko ndia joro njọ. Iko ndia joro njọ. Iko ndia joro njọ. These cups are ugly. So guys, this brings me to the end of today's video. Remember, today's Igbo phrase or word you're learning is Iko, and these are the sentences you can use in Iko that are frequently used. Yes guys, please, like I always say, save this video on your watch later. Visit consistently. The reason I say you should save it on your watch later is because you don't have to start typing my name. You can just go straight to your YouTube and to your watch later and watch the video you want to watch. Please, if you have watched to this point, please subscribe to my channel. Endeavor to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you haven't yet given it a thumbs up, and share to your friends and family. I don't know, in the middle of this video I always forget to say people should subscribe because I get carried away with what I am teaching. But please subscribe. Thank you, and do have a wonderful day. Bye.